What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome back to my video of where I've been and what's been going on in my life and why I disappeared for so long. It won't be exactly 100% to what's been going on, but a lot of shit has happened. And yeah, I'll try not to make this too long, but I'm finally back. One of the reasons I've moved, I'm now in Liverpool in the UK, and when I moved across I forgot to bring my stand, my camera and my adapter for my iPhone with me, so I couldn't make any videos. My sister has just been really busy. She hasn't posted over my box of stuff with everything in it, so I've been here the last 5-6 weeks now living in the UK. And unfortunately, because I had no equipment to record on, I literally just ended up going on Amazon yesterday and got a new Panda mic and adapter and stand so I could get back recording for you guys and explain what's been going on. First of all, I would like to apologize for being gone so long, and second of all, I'd like to thank a fucking load of you that have literally just not unsubscribed. Usually, like when I've been checking my subscriptions, you would just see a dip in subscribers, and not one of you have unsubscribed. It stayed the same, and I mean, thank you a fucking million. That's all I can say. You've really, those for the people that have been watching the videos, you know who you are, who comment a lot, and literally just stuck by the channel. I mean, it means a lot, and you know, none of you have unsubscribed, and it really has given me a kick up the ass to now try and move on. As you can see, I have a new setup. I'm living on my own. I have a one-bedroom apartment to myself here in Liverpool. I'm working, I do have a job, and I'm gonna try and make this part of my setup. So as you can see, I have a TV in the wall. It came with the rent. My rent is $800 a month, and that's everything included, including my internet. So I'm gonna try and get my Lamborghini sign over as well, and a few other bits and pieces, and try and create a bit of a wall here. And let me know what you think about me playing YouTube on the TV above me, if it's distracting, if it's not distracting. Right now I'm playing Throttle's SEMA video, which was up there, which has stopped working. I don't know why, but look, that will be playing in the background. Actually, hold on a second. Let's just fix this. One sec. Okay. Why is it not playing? I don't know why. It's not playing. It's frozen. Hello? Oh yeah, doesn't matter. I'll fix it. I think the batteries are gone in this thing anyway. Anyway, why I've been gone. So guys, as you know, as regular subscribers, look, I told you when I lost my job, anybody that's new watching this video, I lost my job and literally things just snowballed. I mean, you know when things go bad? When my luck goes bad, I mean it goes like really bad. So I ended up losing my job, money situation went down the drain, and just mental health, everything just went to shit, and just family issues, just stuff like that. It was a really, really bad time for me, and I was in a really shitty hole that I had to literally lift myself out of and just get my life together. A bit of depression, like guys, I've been single 3 years, I'm not getting younger, you know, finding it hard to get a girlfriend, just stuff like that. You know, I'm putting on weight because I'm a big gym guy and struggling to lose weight. Just there's a lot of stuff, you know, just mixed into a bowl of absolute fucking shit, and I was not in a good place. And I just decided, like, Ireland for me is a very toxic place to live. Me personally, just from being from there, from being from Limerick. There's no progression there, the weather's shit, everything is way too expensive. I was like, I need to go somewhere and just get out of here. And I just decided, you know what, I started applying for jobs in Liverpool, and I got one, and I drove over. I drove my shitty 2005 three-door Golf over here. And yeah, that's where I am now. So I've been working, I work in IT, same kind of job I did before. My contract runs out next week, so now I'm under pressure to make sure it gets extended or I find another job ASAP. And yeah, that's basically what's been going on with my life, and hopefully I can knuckle down now and move forward with this channel. I want to plans for the channel basically are I want to start like moving forward. I want to start trying to make videos every day. It's difficult, guys, when I'm working I finish at 5, I get to the gym, I'm home, and then, you know, I gotta get this video made and get it edited and get it out. It's not gonna be every day, but I am gonna push myself to try and do it, because the AdSense for me, what I want to do with the AdSense is invest it into crypto up to a point where I can get a loan on a car from the AdSense money from YouTube. So basically, if I'm making 150, 200 a month off the AdSense, I'm going to be investing into crypto. I've now made a crypto portfolio. I'm hoping that will take off. I've invested in a few different coins. I've invested 250 euros so far into Shiba, SafeMoon, VeChain, all these different coins, and I'm already up 1,000 euros from my 250 euro investment. So whatever I make off the channel so far, like if I make 100 a month, 150, I will be investing it into crypto. I just feel like it's doing well, and but once we get to like 300, 350, 400, 500 euros a month, and we're solidly making that, that's when I will go out and get a proper car, like an R8 or something like that, a project car. And if you're asking about what's going to happen with the project car, it is still going to happen, guys. I'm not saying that it isn't. I need to now register my car in the UK. I want to sell it. I want to put the money towards getting a project car. I have 3 cars in mind. I should be able to get one in the next few months on finance. That is the plan, but it depends on my job situation as well. So I'm still settling here in Liverpool. I'm still sorting out my money situation. I just need to get a permanent role job, and once I have the permanent role job got, plans to start moving in motion. So that is the plan for the channel. Also, one last thing as well before I go, I will be making a video today. That is definite. I'm going to catch up my videos. We have a lot to cover about what's been going on in the YouTube car world. I will have one out tomorrow. Basically, the other thing is I want to try and make the channel a bit better. Because I'm doing this on my own, I'm really looking for somebody to host the channel with me on the weekend. So I'm looking for a co-host to do the channel with me on a Saturday or a Sunday, and just do an hour podcast chatting about what went on like through the whole week, talking about, you know, the likes of DD, Stradman, stuff like that. And I will be saying this at the start of every video as well, that I'm looking for a co-host. Also, what I might do is whatever the top comment is on the videos, I'll give you a shout out at the start of the video saying, you know, I might do it. I might just do it the odd time, not all the time, just to give a bit of a thanks to regular subscribers and commenters. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. As I said, this is probably long enough as it is of a video. Let me know what you think of the setup. Should I move the table? You know, should I put the camera a different way? Give me some ideas what I should do with this setup. But yeah, that's basically what's been going on so far. I'm now back in action. I'm going to make a video today. It'll be on, oh yeah, and video times are going to be like UK time are going to be around anywhere between 8 to 10 p.m. thereabouts. So it covers for people in the UK. I want to watch it, and people in the States, wherever you're from watching, hopefully it will be an okay time for ye. And yeah, so I just want to get cracking on. I just want to get back to fucking doing my usual shit, making videos, giving you my thoughts and opinions about what's going on, and just getting back to covering YouTube car videos again. And yeah, that's basically gonna be it. So again, thank you a million, guys, you know, for sticking around with the channel and not unsubscribing. And let's hopefully this is the stepping stone I can get to start moving forward with this fucking channel. And video ideas. Hopefully I can meet up with other car YouTubers in the UK, maybe and from Sports and Touring. You know, getting to some dealerships, checking out, you know, some new cars that get launched in the UK that we wouldn't have in Ireland. Stuff like that. I'm going to try and get a few vlogs in here, but at winter time it's kind of hard, you know, but I will start trying sorting stuff out for you. So again, guys, thanks a million. Stick around. Video out later on this evening, and we will have a video out tomorrow. And your support is greatly much appreciated. Any ideas for here, let me know in the comments below. And again, thanks a million. You know who you are for just sticking with the channel and supporting me and the shit I've been through. And let's just move on, onwards and upwards. And yeah, we'll just go from there. So again, guys, thanks a million. Have a great day, and I shall see you later on this evening for my next video then. All right, thank you very much. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.